Welcome back to Coins to Collect. Today is the day we find out who is going to get this Kew Gardens. Who's won this by entering the competition of the Mega Marathon Monday 2024. So there were 9 channels taking part, and what you had to do was watch all 9 videos, write down the answers, email them to me, and I'm going to pick a winner. Easy. So that is the prize. That is the Kew Gardens 2009. Here we go. Someone did send me a message saying that I didn't show the obverse side of this, so we didn't see that it was actually a real Kew Gardens. As if I would give away a fake Kew Gardens. If you want to pause this, zoom in somehow and see for yourself if that is real, then please do so, but I assure you that is a real 2009 Kew Gardens. So before I reveal the winner, I just wanted to thank the other 8 channels that took part. I appreciate it. Everyone chipped in to buy that Kew Garden, so thank you. So it was To Coin a Phrase who had the winning channel score. Didn't he won that?
I found this on the web for what is To Coin a Phrase who had the winning channel score.
No.
Check it out. Okay, I found this on the web for no. Check it out.
What? Finished? So I had 117 entries. 94 of them were correct. 23 of them were wrong. Grossy's little coin name shuffle caught out 12 of you. So Grossy said in his video that his coin, featured coin, was aquatics, and then he changes his mind later on in the video to Olympic football. Some of the entries didn't give the full answers. So for instance, there was a good 2 or 3 that had for Rich H. Hunt, they just wrote something like no number given or no score given. So I don't know quite what happened there. Anyway, some of you, unfortunately, you took the total amount of points plus the featured coin, and then you added the value of the featured coin to the overall total. So for instance, I had the NHS, so my total score, the NHS, and then you added another 40 points onto the total. So all of the answers were out by a certain amount. So yeah, I can't really go back in there and just adjust them, so that would be cheating. So, and I'd never thought of that before, so I never thought to say don't do that, because anyway, I did have a couple of multiple entries. A few husband and wife, I think, or partners entered, so they were sort of, I class them as double entries. One couple, she used his email address and he used her email address. So I don't know what was going on there. Anyway, lots of fun and games. But let's get on with the most important part. So we've got the wheel here. If I bring that up to the camera, there we go. That's all 94 correct answers, or correct entrance. Correct entrance. There we go. And I haven't spun this yet. No, I don't want to do that. Oh yeah, it tells me here, doesn't it? Okay, here it is. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. That's the one, the MMM 2024. It has had 0 spins. Okay, it's never been used. Okay, so we're going to spin it and we're going to see who's won. And hopefully it's not a complicated name. There's some names on here that I don't know quite how to say. So anyway, let's go for it. And the winner of the MM 2024 is... Okay, so that's Moira B. Congratulations. Now, Moira, I have your email address. I'm going to contact you, Moira. I've got your email address. If anyone else contacts you asking for money, you know, towards paying for the coin or paying for the postage, no. I will contact you. I'll reply to your email and we'll get your address and we'll post this out to you. So congratulations, you've won the Kew. Well done, Moira. This is on its way to you. Fantastic. Again, if anyone's got any ideas or suggestions for future competitions that we can do, please email me, let me know, put some ideas in the comments. We'd love to read them and see if we can make anything work. And that's it. Just thanks for watching. Thanks for taking part. You're all brilliant. I'll see you soon. Until then, please keep looking out for those coins to collect. Yeah.